and unlatch U commands in MicroLogix 5000. First, I add a start PB no push button and a latch coil, assigning a tag to the lamp. This means when we press start, the lamp remains on even after releasing the button. Next, in a separate rung, I add a stop no push button and an unlatch coil, also tagged to the lamp. Pressing stop turns the lamp off. After completing the logic, I go to Who Active, select the controller, and download the program. Finally, I test the operation. Pressing start latches the lamp on, and pressing stop unlatches it off. Stay tuned for more PLC tutorials on Easy Electra. Let me know if you need any modifications.